Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Let's get right to it and discuss AMC earning today after hours. Pre-market, not bad. We're still in green. We're still holding the support. Good morning, everybody. Hello, Williams. Good morning. Xander, grow big. Everybody tuning in. Let's wait everybody to tune in. Let me know if you can hear me all right. Drop it in comment section below. Let me know if you can hear me. Yeah, CDO looking interesting. CDO, we have almost three top around the $1.70. We might have another pump for CDO because yesterday we have a really good pump on the market open. Yeah, the market went down for it, then went up 128%. The other stock that pumping in pre-market is TNON. It was a good hunt from yesterday. I think we did chart analysis update yesterday for this one. Let me just check TNON. Yes, it was a good hunt, guys, because we held over the support and now getting near the profit taking the $3.50, now $3.60. So yeah, we already hit our profit taking for this one. We had it, I think, yeah, we had it after hours. $3.50. Yes, we had it in the pre-market. We'll see if we're gonna have another pump for this one on the market open. Yes. Good morning, Emily. Good morning, Next Level. Dr. Aaron, good morning. Hit the like, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. Let's start our live streaming for today. The stock that we have to watch for today is TNON. After that, we got CDO. We might have some action for that one as well. AMC, of course. Nikola, we don't have any reaction. Let's see if we're gonna have something here on our stock screener. HSCS. This one is still holding here. Yeah, we have a bit of pullback. 238% in the pre-market alone. The other one we might have a good hunt for is let's check this one. No, I think this is an acquisition. That one, wow, this one getting shorted on the pre-market open. We have a huge pump, then dump. Yes, first hour we pumped, now is dumping down. This one might give us some reversal. Might. might give us some reversal, so we watch if we're gonna have a reversal or not. After we break this resistance, we got some level to take profit. So yeah, this one might have a reversal. Yes, oil. This one is the same. Pumped in the pre-market today, then dumped. Yes, pump and dump. Usually we have this reaction in the pre-market. I don't like those kind of stock that dumping before even the market open. But we'll keep our eyes on this one because it might pump once again, and if we pumped once again we might have a good action. Yes, around the $2.21, not bad. We might have some action for Boyle for this stock. Let me just put it there because we don't have many stocks. That's why I put this one, even though it's 15%. So yeah, we got little stock to watch. TNON, of course, from yesterday, Hunt. Yes, TNON. The other one, CDO. And of course, Raven, because in the pre-market is doing all right. We did the short analysis update for Raven yesterday for our elite hunters. For entry for this stock, we said the 1680 is our support. So now we holding a nice support for Raven, and we might have another pump on the market open. Greetings, Ray, how are you doing? Okay, AERT. Let's check this one together. This one I think is offering, yes. Yeah, I think is a new offering, but we have to break the 4. Otherwise we're gonna have the $1. Eventually we're gonna have the $1. I think this one a new IPO. Let me just check. AERT. Yes, is there. Look at that. Let me just go on the big picture. Daily for hour. Yeah, I think this is a new IPO. World Wide Web acquisition. Okay, now is around the $3.53, $3.53 in the pre-market, 40% up. We'll see if we're gonna have a break here for this one. We have to break the 4. You see what's going on here? We already gave almost 12% here. We'll see if we're gonna break and go toward the 470. This one is really heavily shorted. Really heavily shorted. We'll see if we're gonna have some action. AVTX, it's been a while last time we discussed with this one, AVTX. Yes, it's running. It's not bad. But yeah, the 13, as we discussed before, the 1313 should be our breakout zone. So AVTX maybe would be good because we held over the bottom, and now we have a new support to hold over the 10 cent. So AVTX, I will keep it up here for a maybe stock with that one. Yeah, so the stock that we have to watch is TNON and CDO. and maybe Raven. Yes, maybe Raven as well. TNON, it was good hunt yesterday from yesterday hunt, guys. TNON hitting profit taken in the pre-market, as we said, taking profit plus resistance around the $3.51. We did this update after we finish our live streaming as usual. So we're watching TNON because we already have a trade open from yesterday. We'll see in the market open we're gonna have another pump or a dump down. Otherwise, we're gonna exit with a profit on the market open. The same with Raven. It looked good in the pre-market. It's pumping on good earnings, 6% up. Already discussed it yesterday. That's why we have an entry around the 1744. Let's have a huge party for today. Let's see a green day, guys. Let's have a green day and let's have fun. Interesting. For Apple, we have a huge pump down after the earnings. Then the price reverse. The same day, I think. Let me just check when. 2nd of November, 3rd of November, we found the bottom, price reverse from there. Yeah, we did 6% after that from the 2nd of November until the 8th of November. Raven, we have our breakout. Still holding the support, everybody. So yeah, we have the target for the $20 for today. PXMD, nothing good for today, still below the resistance. Live W on the top loser lists yesterday, 35%. AMC, big seller came in yesterday here. Before the market open, I think, or during the market open, around the $11. We have a huge struggle to break the 11 yesterday. In the pre-market, the price was gravitating around the 11, you see? Market open, boom, we went down. Today is the earnings for AMC. Let me just show you. We have the earnings after hours. We have the estimate of 1.26 billion. And you see here the financial changing since 2020. We have changing in revenue. Yes, profit margin is getting better. Before is negative. You see, we have a struggle back. And back in 2018, AMC was okay. Then after 2020, from COVID, everything went downhill, and it was a slow recovery. You see here, We have a slow recovery, but we still profit margin in negative 24. 24 still in negative. Wow. We have operating expenses almost 1 billion. Wow, there's no dividends. Last dividends for AMC was in 2018. After that, man, there's nothing. 2019, then 2020 hit, no earnings, nothing. So after the COVID, there's no dividends. No dividends, man. No dividends. Okay. One of you said he can't hear me all right and I should speak loudly. Everyone, if you can hear me, please, I want to make sure if the problem from my side or from one of you. So if everybody can hear me loud and clear, let me know in the chat section now. Otherwise, I'm gonna try to fix that. Okay, so Current can't hear me all right. Okay, I'm gonna fix that. Let me just check the audio. Okay, the audio is okay here, man. Okay, can you hear me? Let's see if everybody can hear me. George said it's good. Okay, so most of you said okay. So we have just 2 people said they can hear me all right. Can you hear this? Great. Perfect. So everybody can hear me all right. We have 10 minutes left here. 10 minutes left for the opening of the market. We watching everybody AMC, CDO, and TNON. Why? Because TNON, we already discussed it yesterday. After we finish our live streaming for TNON trade, we said the support here, the box, we should hold, profit taken, resistance $3.50, and now already hit the profit taken. So I'll be ready to take profit because we might have a pullback on the market open again down. So we have to be strategic and see if we're gonna have a weakness or a pump toward the $3.50 and the $4.70. Now it's $2.60. Yes, sorry guys, we didn't hit the profit taken. $3.50 and now is $2.65. So be extremely careful. We might take profit before even this profit taken because we might have a pullback on the market open. The other one that we have to watch is Raven. Let me just go on Elite Hunt. Raven doing all right, guys. 7% in the pre-market. This one we hunted yesterday on our elite one-day swing trade. We talked about the 1681. We said as long as we hold this support, we're gonna have a pump. So the pump happened now in the pre-market, and now is around the 1867. We might have the $20. The other stock that we discussed before, everybody, is NEO. Yes, it was on our King Elite swing. I think we did this back on the 6th of November. Yes, we had the profit taken the next day, the 7th of November. We had the 1648, and we said the break here will confirm a bullish momentum up. Guess what? We did 14% yesterday, 14%. And now it's still holding. This one, we might have the 1827, everybody. Again, once we have a good swing trade, watch out for this update for you guys for the King Elite swing trade. Always we put the trade for swing trade here, the day trade, high volatile stock on Unicorn Hunt. So it's always check those channels, okay? We have this Unicorn Hunt that we always do chart analysis update after we finish our live streaming. The same with King Elite swing trade and Elite one day swing trade. Okay, so let me just check. Raven, we should keep it on the list because we still have a position open for Raven. Average price from yesterday 1744. For TNON, the same around the $2.17. It was a really good dip that we bought at around this wick. You see this wick? It was a really good dip here for TNON. And the other one we might hunt is this one, AERT, pumping from the bottom. This one is really risky, but I'm watching for a breakout from the resistance. Yeah, we have 8 minutes left. 8 minutes left. Mira sweep, bring all the family. Put the speaker on, put us on the Wall Street. This is a really good way to watch our live streaming on the Wall Street and after work. Great, brother. Great. We have many hunters watching on the Wall Street. Great. Okay, let me just go back. Just as a reminder, for if you just came in, everybody, if you just came in and you're late to the party, the stock that we're watching today is TNON. Oh man, you see what's going on here? I know it. Really, I know it. Oh brother. So the short started to short before the market opened. I think they watch our live streaming because we have a seller here added around this level of resistance. That's why the price go down for TNON before the market open. We have this bottom that we should hold on the market open in order to have a reversal. So we have to watch, guys. There is a really interesting level to hold for this. Over the $2.30. Let's see if we're gonna have a hold up. We don't want to have a pullback below the $2.30 here on the market open because we're gonna have a flush. As well, we have this support to hold, but I don't want to hold and lose the profit. So maybe I will exit with little profit, then I enter around this dip. The other one, as we said, CDO looking interesting because it's about to break the $1.70. We got a great question here. Let me just check. Gate Magic, yes, CD looking good, brother. Fernand Jevers, he asked about my background and if we have any courses we offer for trading. Great question. So what I like, I make it simple, brother. If you want to be a really good trader and or better trader, or the only thing that you have to focus on, I will really make it simple, is curiosity and never stop learning. Usually the mistake that a lot of traders do is once they have a strategy back tested, they make money out of it. 1 month, 2 months, they get greedy, they get arrogant, then they lose all the money and break their rules because they get confident, you know. So confident is good and at the same time can backfire on you. So the deal here with the trading is not like make $1 million a day, then you lose it the next day. No, it's a long, disciplined career. You have to be curious about trading, and then of course, never stop learning. This is the idea. And when I tell people like, I always study, I always learn, it's like, come on. Like when most people, when I told them I still studying, it's like, come on, you didn't graduate from college? I told them no, it's not about college. It's about learning. If you stop learning, you start dying. This is kind of one of the sentence I really liked when Richard Feynman actually said it. You have to be always curious and always learning. So this is one of the advice we're gonna give you, brother, if you want to dive in trading. And of course, about the course, we building a good course for our traders. So stay tuned for that. In the time being, if you don't want to wait, you can actually join our Patreon and Discord, and from there you can learn a lot by just seeing the chart and ask question here on our Discord. We can actually reply on you, and the best thing is by learning is by watching and how we actually put our charts, because the alert that we do, we don't say just enter here or exit here. We put chart analysis update. We put the levels. So by follow our chart and seeing the chart, you can learn by seeing and learn by actually just copy my chart on your chart, and you learn like this. So I don't like to, like most of traders do, like give you numbers where you enter, where you exit, and you don't see the chart. You can't learn like this. By putting the chart like this, I found it a best way to educate trader by seeing the chart themselves and put it on your chart as well. So this is the best way to learn, actually, by just watching the chart and try to draw as we draw here, as we did yesterday for TNON. You see here the support there. Red line is support, green line is profit taken. Orange line is the resistance, as you can see here with PXMD. Okay, the market is open, guys. The market is open. Remember, disclaimer, live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. Let's try to take a bit of profit here for TNON because we might have a pullback. Let me just check Raven as well, because we might have a pullback for Raven. TNON. Okay, we need to hold here, guys, for TNON. Still holding. I might take a bit of profit here just in case. Remember, guys, live streaming is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence and let the price come to you and never run after the price. And let's kick our live streaming for today. Raven is pulling back down. TNON, the same. Let's see if we hold for TNON here. Raven is pulling back down a bit, testing our breakout zone here. Let's see if we have a reversal. CDO still didn't break. AMC is still holding. This one didn't break. Boyle broke the support. I'm watching Raven, guys, because we might have a pullback. TNON, we might have a huge pullback, so I'm gonna close it here just in case. I will enter once again if we have a reversal. And here is Raven. Maybe I'm gonna take a bit of profit as well for Raven. Let me just check Raven out. We have 5% here, still holding over the 1815, so it's not bad. We have big seller for Raven around the 1873. We have to break this level, guys, if we're gonna have a breakout for Raven. And we need to hold there, 1817. Okay, Raven, guys, looking good. If we broke this 1873. CDO, guys, looking interesting. Okay, Raven, we might have a huge flush here. Let me just check. Yes, we might have a huge flush. Yeah, big seller added, man. So I'm gonna exit from Raven. And now I'm gonna switch, guys, for CDO because I think it's really strong now. It's opportunity cost, guys. The idea here is opportunity cost. If you just holding one stock and you forget about the other one, you're gonna miss the opportunity from the other stock that's ready to pump, like CDO here, looking majestic. Let me just check if we have something for CDO. Yes, it's about to break. CDO is about to break, everybody. Yes, we have a breakout for CDO. Yo, breakout for CDO. We have a breakout. TNON, not good for today. Raven, not good, broke. So we already exited around the 1817. CDO looking good, guys, for the $2.13. Support is around the $1.45. AMC, nothing much. I think we have a pullback again around this AMA. Big seller added again around the $10.50, guys. So we watch the $9.89 as a support before the earnings for today. CDO is pumping, guys. CDO is pumping. Let me just check. We have a seller now. CDO, we have a big seller and still holding over the $1.45. So I'm gonna take this out. In today's market, if we want to confirm this pump, we have to hold over the $1.45. The other support is the $1.19. Yes, raining, everybody, is raining. Okay, we have a pullback. The same what happened here for CDO. We have a huge pump, then dump here. Price went down, now pump, and went down. If we broke the $1.45, it means this one is a fake out and we're gonna have a flush down. If we hold, we're gonna have the $2.13. We have sea of red here for Boyle and the other stocks. Boyle doesn't look good at all. AVTX, Live W, we have a bit of kick from the bottom, but still below the $9.40. This one game over, guys. I think this one is game over. Big seller came around the $4. Yes, game over. Time to short. Warren, big seller came for AERT, guys. Time to short. Big seller came in here around the $3.49. Still shorting. Look at the blood, guys. Look at the blood. This one is dying. This stock is dying, guys. It's going toward the $1 or even below the $1. This is KO. This one is KO. KO. I don't know if you play Mortal Kombat, but this one had a KO. Game over. What stand for KO? I forget about this. Kill. I don't know. Kill over. Okay. Let me know what does mean KO. What does stand for? Knockout. I think there is something else. Oh, knockout. Yes, KO. Interesting. This is the first time I really thought about this. I just say KO without knowing what it stands for. Okay, knockout. So this one, no. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. This is not a knockout. This one is concussion. This one is going down to the grave. This one is Mortal Kombat KO, not normal KO. This one Mortal Kombat KO. If you play games, Mortal Kombat is KO that you can kill the other people by breaking their bones and breaking their neck. So this is what happened for AERT, not KO of Cage Compact or UFC. No. I'm talking about Mortal Kombat. So CDO got shorted, guys. Not good. No. That not good. I don't like this. Let me just check on the big picture what's going on with CDO. Yeah, we have a fake out on the market open. Yes, we have a fake out. Big fake out. So, what's going on here? This one we got faked out. But we'll give it some time because we're still holding this support here. Yeah, faked out around the $1.74. Support around the $1.45, guys. $1.45. If we held, we're gonna have a reversal. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush toward the $1.19. This should be our support for today, or even going toward the 94 and 85 if we have a flush. So we have two support to watch out for. The first support that we should hold right now is over the $1.45. And the resistance to break next time is the $1.74. TNON on the other hand, whoa, we have a reversal. Not bad. Yeah, this one is game over. RNAZ. Okay, TNON looking interesting. TNON looking interesting now. We might have a pump now for TNON and go toward the 13. Let me just check if we got something here. Yeah, we got something here. TNON, guys, we might have a kick now. TNON, come on, $3.15 or $3.50. CDO is still holding. So TNON, we have a new high around the $2.94. Let's see. Take down. So yeah, a bit light, exactly, a bit light volume for TNON, but as everybody knows, we have dark pool. Sometimes this volume is just the surface. It's like the ocean. You can see the ocean down. The depth of the ocean is not discovered yet. You know that. Everybody know that. Yes, TNON $2.95, a new high. We need the $3.50. $3.50 for TNON. AMC holding. You know, every stock have a different fight. Every stock here have a different fight. For AMC is UFC fight, okay? UFC fight. No, not UFC fight. I think AMC is street fight. Yes. AMC is have a fight of street fight. Boom. Street fight for this one. For AERT is Mortal Kombat fight. You know, Mortal Kombat is fight until one of the opponents be killed. There is no rules. And for the other stock, let's say the other stock like DKNG and FUBO, those stocks are fighting. Is kind of boxing, so there's rules, but not like really aggressive fighting, you know. Tesla, on the other hand, fighting in the cage combat like UFC. It's really hard, yes. There is some rules, but it's not like normal rules, but it's tough rules. So yeah, every stock have their fight. For Tesla, we have the $2.27. So the knockout for Tesla, if we have one, will be around the $2.37. If we don't break, it means we're gonna have a knockout. Boom. And we're gonna go down. For the other stock like TNON, okay, the knockout should be around the $3.51 on the other hand for TNON. This one is still fighting. CDO on the other hand, yes, we have a big seller around the $1.74. I don't like this wick, guys. Look at this huge wick on the 15-minute. Huge seller here, huge seller. If we broke the $1.45, I don't like this. It's mean we're gonna have a flush down. We're gonna lose the gain that we did in the pre-market. I think this is in pre-market, yes? Yes, pre-market, yes. So we accumulated here and pumped in pre-market before the market opened by 1 hour. And now we holding this current support around the $1.45. Interesting, really interesting. Because if we broke this support now, is mean a weakness and we're gonna go down. $1.29 and $1.90 should be an entry. We'll see if we hold. Look at this. This one is still not dead yet. This one is not dead, but it's testing a major resistance around the $3.26. I think we got halted. Yes. Because the price went down almost 20%. 20% in 1 minute, I think. Or 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. That's why we got halted. What's going on? Live W is pumping from the bottom. Yes, Live W, as we discussed, guys, the 515 and the 424 is our support. Don't forget to hit the like button, everybody. We go live each day, not just today. Each day we have a party here. Each day we have a party on our YouTube channel, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, on our Patreon and Discord, of course. Yes, Live W is halted. Everybody talking about Live W. Everybody talking about Live W because everybody knows that this stock is crazy. This stock already did a huge jump here, 400% back in 6th of November, Monday, this week. So everybody watching for that stock to go and do its ballistic move. This is crazy. I know. We just met. Boom. We might have rejection there around the 9. Yo, everybody watch out. Watch out, everybody. We have a huge test for Live W on the unhalted reaction because now it's $8.30. We might get unhalted around the 9. CDO is testing the last bottom support here. TNON, we have a fake out and the price went down. Interesting. Live W, we might have action for Live W instead. Okay, so TNON, some of you said have light volume. So yeah, this is the case because price tried to have a new high around the 3, but we didn't. The good thing is we're still holding this AMA, so we're still in bullish momentum. You see what's going on with TNON. Every time we have a pump, we have a dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. So this is the reaction. This stock never go up straight. Holding the lines. AVDX, yeah. Let's check. You mentioned this earlier. Yeah, I remember. Not good, brother. Doesn't look good. PRSO. I'm checking your requested stock, guys, to see if we have a heading unicorn. You see one glance and I told you guys doesn't look good. CDO still holding. Reversal, watch out. We have a double bottom. Live W, come on, we need a breakout here, guys. We need action. HSCS. It held the support, but we might have a flush for this stock. So it's testing our support now, the 33. We might have another pump down because we broke this AMA. This is a weakness here. So I'll keep it for a later. CDO, guys, CDO is pumping once again. Watch out. It held our support perfectly. The $1.45. $1.45. Come on, $1.45. This is it. Yes, Live W. Everybody said Live W have major news going on. Yeah, still under radar. Many traders watching live W, everybody. Everybody watching live W. It's still holding, everybody. It's still halted. 34%. Look at this crazy trade, man. Look at this. Of course, we traded live W before the earnings and before this short. Live W, we did this update for you guys around the resistance, the 16. We said this is the resistance. We're gonna have a pullback and reversal around the 515 back in 6th of October or November. And you see what's happened here. We went until nearly the support around the 560 or 550. Yes. And here we have our reversal finally. And now it's going toward a major resistance near the 9. Let me just check. Yeah, near the 9 exactly. Let's see if we're gonna have a breakout and going to Falahala. But watch out, guys. We might have a pullback around the 9. Nicolas still holding over the 1. Nothing changed, everybody. Nothing changed. It's still holding. Guys, don't forget to hit the like in order for Santa to come early and give you your gift. Santa is my friend. Jesus and Santa is close friends, as everybody knows. Hit the like button on the way in. Let's see if we got something. Whoa, Raven went down big time. Look at this, man. Once we broke the 1817, as we said, guys, take your profit. We went down. RBLX pumping. RBLX pumped. Wednesday, 8 p.m. Interesting. Yeah, we have a nice breakout here for RBLX. Lucid down 5%, guys. Tesla down a bit. We have WBD. Those are the volume gainer, top volume gainer list in today's market. UPST went down 24% today. Let's see, Toast, this one went down as well. Hood, guys, 13% down. We have a nice dip for Hood coming up. Watch out. Live W is still halted, 8:30. The other one on the list, we have BLDE, and the other one here, EVGO, doing all right. Let's see if we have something. Wish, 15% for today. Not bad. But technically, it doesn't look good yet. Okay, CDO, guys, is pumping, or Live W. Live W is pumping to the Falahala. 56%. I think we got halted once again. We broke the 909. Okay, where are we gonna go now? We halted around the 968 for Life W. Are we gonna have a pullback now around this resistance, or we gonna have the 1183? Let me just check how much we can do after that. We might do another 22%. Of course, this one's going to the depth of the sea. No reaction. There is no reversal. AMC is getting near the bottom, the $9.89. Watch out, everybody. And CDO is struggling. We have a huge fake out here on the market open. Price didn't hold and went down. On the 1 minute, yes, the same. Doesn't look good. Nice hunt, made a sweep. Exactly, Charles. But being a comedian is really hard, man. I think it's more harder to be a trader. Even hard. I think the hardest thing to actually be comedian. TNON, yes, it's running. TNON. Finally, come on, let's see the $3.51 now. And CDO is running as well. So, come on, TNON going for a new high toward the $3.51. Is accumulating here for some time. It tested our patience. Now we're waiting for another kick toward the $3.51 for TNON. CDO, on the other hand, is weak a bit. The good thing is we're still holding the $1.45. The bad thing is we got rejected around the $1.74. Again, we have triple top around the $2.96. Triple top. Triple top for this one. Are we gonna have a breakout eventually or not? Hidden seller around the $2.95. Look at that. Look at that. TNON want to break. But the volume was not right before because we were just below the 1 million. Now it's almost 4 million. So yeah, it's waiting for enough volume to break. Yeah, holding tightly, holding tightly. CDO, watch out for the $1.45. Live W, watch out for the 971. And this one, watch out for the $2.95. Okay, CDO guys is preparing. Big seller again around the $1.67. Big seller, not good. CDO, not good. It's still big seller, guys. Big seller is still there. Still there, is not moving. However, if they moved, we're gonna have a squeeze for CDO. Yeah, Emily, I know. CDO trying really hard. Look at this. This is the best chance to break the $1.68. Big seller, guys. They don't want the price to go over the $1.74 because if that happened, we're gonna have the squeeze. So it's still fighting over this AMA. There's a huge fight. The same with TNON, guys. We have 1, 2, and 3. This one really want to squeeze. Tried hard to squeeze, but yeah, we're waiting for enough volume to break. Live W, there is no any trouble for Live W. There is no seller. That's why we halted the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 haltation, guys, under row. Alvaro, happy birthday, brother. Yeah, this is a good birthday present for you, brother. Watch out, Live W is a bit extended here. We might have a pullback pretty soon. If we overcome this resistance, we might go at least around the 1180, then we have a pullback. If we didn't, we're gonna have a pullback now, just around this resistance. If we don't break it after the halt, is mean we're gonna hold down the next time, because now is a major resistance, 971. 971 for Live W. Guys, hit the like button and the way in, don't forget. Let's have a party. Yeah, should fill the gap around the 838. This will be a good entry. But if we win there, we get halted down. Watch out. This will be a tricky trade, you know, when you buy halted stock like this. Risky business. CDO and TNON, guys, the same reaction. Anticipation. We have anticipation for both of those stocks. Oh man, we have another gap up for Live W. Now we have a push back down. Come on, we need to have another pull back down. We need more. I think this one is want to do something crazy. Let me just check something here. Yeah, we have to watch for the dip. $10.75, $10.79. Yes, pulling back now. Still holding the breakout. We need another pullback, everybody. This is too much. So we change the resistance around this level. Yes, pulling back now. Yeah, we need to have a gap fill around the 836. Another pullback. Exactly. We cook and slow fire. Elite, Elite the way. Welcome back, brother. So today we have home cook meal for TNON and CDO. Both of them are cooked on slow fire. Here's the fire. Okay, and here's the chicken. It's being cooked. But watch out, we might break this level and the chicken will actually break the oven and run away. So we have to be ready to catch the fish or the chicken if we broke the oven. Because the oven, maybe someone will open the oven and the chicken will go out. I forgot to tell you, this is really a live chicken here. Not the dead chicken, it's a live chicken. It's being cooked alive. Yeah, I know this is a torture, but really bad analogy to say this, but this is what's going on with CDO. It's being cooked in slow fire. A chicken, live chicken. That's why the chicken is going up and down, and it can't move. We need to break the oven from above, hopefully. Or we don't break it, but we just take the chicken and eat it out. But I think we're gonna have the chicken fly away from us once we break the support. Live W is still going down. We'll see if we're gonna have a reversal from that 838, filling the gap here. You are welcome, Alvaro. Yeah, this is the trick. If you're gonna cook something, you have a timer, you know when the food will be ready. But with the stock market, you don't know. You don't know when the food will be ready. Aha, CDO, the chicken is run away, guys. The chicken is run away from us. The chicken ran away. The chicken ran away. Okay, the chicken is ran away. Let me just close this trade. Not good. Let me just close. And now go back to Live W. Maybe we're gonna buy the dip for Live W. Guys, this one not good anymore. Now we have to watch out for this dip around the $1.19. CDO fight really big time here. Short seller won the game after we broke this support around this AMA, and the resistance was around the $1.70. So now down we go down. So we have two support to watch for CDO around the $1.19 and this bottom, of course, around the 94 if we have a big seller. Live W on the other hand is holding over the gap. Yes, I think we're gonna have a test now for this gap. We're gonna have a test for this gap. TNON on the other hand is still looking better, still holding. We have a triple top around the $2.95, so it's not bad. Not bad at all. For me is around the 836. AMC just above our support. Patience, everybody, patience. I know sometimes trading could be frustrating because once you watch a stock and you wanted to go to profit taking, would never go. It's like telling a dog to do whatever you want. It's like telling the dog to, I don't know, wash himself or walk himself to the park. It's kind of impossible to do that, you know. You have to train the dog to do that. And even worse, stock is not like a dog. Dog is smart. They can learn. But imagine if you have a really crazy dog that never listen, never learn. Stupid dog. Usually we don't have stupid dog. Dog is really smart. But imagine, just for one moment, if you have a dog and you try to teach him like to sit, to not pee inside your apartment, but he do the opposite. The same with stock market. Same with stocks. Just consider stocks as like stupid dog, and you want this stupid dog to listen to you. This is nonsense. This is nonsense. The idea here to think as the stupid dog, and this is you solve your problem. So here the stupid dog is the stock, because the stock never listen to you, because sometimes you want the stock to do whatever you want and never do the same what you want. So you have to understand what the stock will do, because every stock have different personality. Okay, Live W still holding. Yeah, CDO, man, what a crazy pump down. TNON still holding. Live W holding over the gap. We have big seller around the 11. We might have another pullback down to fill this gap. We'll see. We held over the 9 exactly. Yeah, it's going down. Oh man, John, I think this will be a good party present for you, brother. HSCS secondary offering. HSCS. So secondary offering. So this one, maybe we might have a good hunt next time. If we hold the 20, would be a good dip here. We have the 50-cent big seller, so not for today. We might watch it for the next hunt. Live W holding tightly, really tightly over the 9. Still the gap is around the 835. The support is the 737 that we should hold over the 737. So watch out for the 737 for today for Live W. Okay, we might have another dip. Watch out, we might have another dip if we broke if we broke below the 888. We might have another flush. Big one. Big one. Come on. We need another big one flush. Around the 840 would be good. Let's see if we have a snatch for this dip. We might have it. Let's see. Okay, it's holding. Live W still holding. Come on. Come on. Dip, 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 dip. Dip, 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 dip. We need another dip. It's holding, guys, over the 9. Look at this beautiful hold. It's like there is a dam holding the water, flush of water. But trust me, guys, if we broke this dam, we're gonna have a flush of water. And we're gonna have, what's called? Yes, flood. Yeah, we're gonna have a flood. Flood of water coming in. Watch out. Guys, hit the like button. TNON, we're still watching this one. AMC, nothing much. CDO, yeah, we got the flush from the support 1046. Remember, guys, remember we're gonna do update later on. Last time we did update for Live W. It was here on our Discord after we finish our live streaming. As usual, we talk about 16 resistant. It was a good dip to buy when we said the 515 is the resistant or there's support reversal back 2 days ago. And of course, finally we went there and we reverse. Look at this. Nice reversal. Almost 50% or more. Let me just check. Whoa, almost 100%. Anyway, so Live W is still holding. We have a bit of dip around the 888. And we got a reversal from there. Interesting. Really interesting for Live W. SNTI. I think we already covered this one. Yeah, we covered this on our pre-market update for today. SNTI, let me just check this one. And NVOS. Some of you asked me, but I didn't check. SNTI. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. SNTI is started to move. 61 as a breakout. And the other one NVOS. NVOS hitting the $2, profit taken, or let's say a resistance around the $2. Yes. Yo, this one looking good. We did the reverse split. That's why the price is over the $1, everybody. If you're wondering what's going on with NVOS, we did the reverse split back in 7th of November, 1 to 10. Reverse split. Really interesting. Many stocks doing reverse splits to save their skin. To go underground. Because as everybody knows, one of the requirements to stay on the Nasdaq is to have the price share of the stock over the $1. Otherwise, you go to OTC market, which is not good for the company because there is no much investors, and you be underground. Underground is not good for the company to grow. Not good. Yes, Life W is still down. 737. Nice. We have the dip. 840. Yes, filling the gap finally. PXMD, check, brother. I think we already checked PXMD. Yes, here. Nothing much. $4.64 is the resistance, brother. $4.64 for PXMD. Yeah, $4.64. Bottom is around $3.29. Still weak because we are just below our AMA here, acting as a resistance. Still weak, watch out. Okay, we have NVOS breakout. I think we have a breakout here. SNTI the same, we have a breakout. SNTI. But the breakout will happen there. This is the main resistance, 74. Not bad, everybody. Not bad for this stock. Did a great move. Live W to the depth of the sea. Watch out. $8 now. $8. We filled the gap and we filled it with sand and dirt. Not necessarily, brother. If the stock went to 99 cents, no problem. It'd go up over the $1. Nokia. Let's check Nokia. By the way, who owned Nokia? Like, who actually own a phone? Nokia phone. I think nobody. What's the ticker symbol for? Yes, I forget. I put in. Who own a smartphone? Nokia smartphone. Let me know. Let me know in comment section if you own Nokia phone. Because I think many of you will say no. It's around the 3, brother. Why you say 99? It's around the $3. Nicola, man, Nicola. You tricked me, man. You tricked me. Yeah, everybody I owned Nokia before, like 2004 or something. Anyway, let me just go back. Interesting. NVOS looking interesting, everybody. Really interesting with SNTI. Live W, time to reverse. As we said, the 737 is the bottom. And now we should reverse because we already filled the gap. TNON, yes, TNON, we might have a breakout before we finish our live streaming. Come on, TNON is about to break. Watch out, everybody. The food is ready. The food is ready. I can smell it. I can smell it. This pizza is about to be cooked. Yes, it's almost ready. You know, when you cook some food, you have to be patient because you smell the food and you're hungry, you want to eat. But you can't because you have to give the time for the food to be prepared. However, if you never cooked at home, you never understand what I mean. But if you cook at home, you understand. You understand. Because sometimes you have to wait, man. You have to wait for hours. And the more you wait, the more the food will be more tasty, you know. It's kind of stopping listening to music for 1 week, then you listen to music, you can feel the effect of music. You can feel it in your body. The same with not eating for 1 day even. You can feel the food inside your mouth, man. If you just fast or even never drink for 2 days, you can feel the water. So sometimes not eating or not drinking, it gives you the gratitude of being alive and the gratitude of food, you know, that we take for granted because we always don't take time off from eating. It's getting near, guys. It's getting near. Live W, we're still holding the $7.37. Again, just as a reminder, the $7.37 should be our support. Otherwise, we call that flush. What does it mean? Price go up and go down without support, and we have reverse V shape. And this is really bearish. Really bearish if we have this for live W. TNON is about to squeeze. This is the fourth time, man. This is the fourth time. Why? Why? Oh, man. I like teasing, you know. I like teasing, but sometimes I don't like it. I like teasing. Teasing is good. Make the thing feel and taste good, you know, by teasing more. The more you get teased, the more, you know, you have the pleasure of tasting the thing that being teased about. The same here with the stocks, you know. You wait, then boom, the price pump and give you a nice percentage up. So teasing sometimes is good, and sometimes, man, it get my nerve, man. It get inside my nerve. It's get inside my nerve. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. We're still watching this one. Oh man, NKLA, yes. Let me just go on the big picture because NKLA kind of broke this. Oh man, we have a big weakness here for NKLA. Started to break the trend. Watch out. Let me just show you what's gonna happen for NKLA now. Let me just show you exactly what's gonna happen, because this trend is been holding since last of June, almost 5 months ago, and now we have the first warning sign for breaking the $1 and of course going below the $1. So watch out for Nikola, guys. If you want to have a nice dip buying, again, not financial advice, we have the 84 and the 70. This is the two levels that we might have for Nikola in the next time, because the short added here big time around the $1.28. So this is the warning. This is the warning after the bad earnings. Again, for Nikola is not the earnings. Sometimes we had good earnings, the price go down. Here again, good earnings, price go down. And here bad earnings, price go up, then went down. So I don't care about the earning that much for Nikola, because Nikola depends on the projection of price for the future, but I care about the technical. And here the technical is a bit weak. So watch out for two level of reversal right now for Nikola. SNTI, yes, looking good. It's getting near a resistance, watch out. 74. TNON, nothing much. Live W start to reverse. Live W start to reverse. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. Don't be shy, hit the like. Comment if you have any question or suggestion for our Hunter channel. Let me know in the chat section, guys. Okay, I will come back in a few minutes. I will just do fill my cup with a tea. It's the tea time, guys. It's a tea time. Is a tea time. So 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes, I will come back. 5 minutes and I will come back. Just watch that for me. If the price broke the $2.95, scream. So I will come really fast. So warn me. If it's for TNON, if we broke this level, just scream. Tell me, Jesus, we squeezed. I will come back just in few minutes, guys. As we said, we have to have a cup of tea. Yes, I'm not English guy, but this is one of the routine that I have to do in order to be hyper focused. Dark tea with dark chocolate. I'm back. What's going on? Okay, we didn't have a breakout yet for this one. Yeah. We have a Texas barbecue smoking ribs for TNON. As everybody knows, the smoking ribs, Texas style, can take 2 days, 3 days for the food or the meat to be ready. I don't know if we have someone from Texas here to prove that, to confirm that, because I just saw it. Lately I was checking this cuisine from Texas. They said this is the best barbecue. Smoked ribs. I think I'm gonna travel to United States just to taste that. Next level. I eat everything, man. Everything. Everything God made, I eat it from the ground up. Worms. Last time I tried worms in Chinese restaurant. Moving worms. Tastes really delicious. It sounds really not tasty, but yeah, it tastes really good if you cook it right. Yes, John. Yes, let's do this. It would be my pleasure, brother. Marius, what's going on, brother? What's going on? Which trade? I think you asking about Nikola, yeah? You bought Nikola? Okay, so TNON still holding. Live W still holding our support. Still, we don't have a reversal for Live W, guys. Yes, we still didn't have a major reversal yet. Okay, let's check the elites. NEO went down, raving 3% down now. It was wise to close the trade, guys. It was wise to close the trade around the 18. Yeah, we went down big time. Now it's breaking even the first support. This one, yes, it's going down a bit. Let's see if we have a bit red market. Yes, Starbucks is okay. Yeah, we have a bit of red market today. What about cryptos? Yes, it's pulling back as well. We hit a major resistance for ADA. Yes, around the 37 as we suggested before. So we have a bit of weakness for cryptos because Bitcoin sound look like the 35 is the major resistance. We have a big flag for Bitcoin around the 35. Everybody watch out, 35. We might have the 40,000 for Bitcoin. This would be a crazy mark from the 15,000 this year. Imagine from the 15,000 and now it's going toward the 40. Not bad. Good run for cryptos. This one is hugging the resistance. We might have the breakout now, guys, for TNON. If we had, or if we hadn't, if we don't have the breakout now, you know what we should do? Let me just check this. Okay. We're gonna do the updates as we said before here for TNON. Last time we did this update for TNON, and now we did another update because the price pulled back. So we do another update if we have a breakout for TNON after we finish our live streaming, because we always do update here to warn you guys about a breakout or a reversal. Because if we don't have this breakout or reversal on our live streaming, we're gonna do them after we finish our live streaming. Of course, TNON we have to discuss after that live W, because we have a huge flush from the 11 and still continue to go down. We have to discuss NVOS because it's testing a breakout zone around the $2, and SNTI started to reverse. Of course, 74 we set the resistance. So now I will keep watching TNON. AMC is still looking okay, guys. We're still holding the $9.89. Not bad. Remember, today is the earnings for AMC, so we might have volatility after the market close for today, so watch out. Next level. French people don't eat level things. Usually Asian, yes. But here in France we eat frog legs and yeah, there's little crazy things we do here. But still tastes good, man. You have to give it a try. You know, when you be in a comfort zone and eat the same food that you like from your home country, you miss a lot of fun, you know? Because each culture have really interesting thing to taste. Yeah, next level. You can feel it inside your mouth is moving. Big worm. When you press it with your teeth, it explodes inside your mouth. It's like a little orgasm in your mouth, man. Romania. What's the specialty? Sarmel. What is sarmel? Is it a pork or something? Let me just check this out. Wow, tastes really good, man. Yes, we have this, man. I think this food is Turkish or Arabic. Yes, man. I think this is originated from Arabic country because we have it, man. I already tasted. It tastes really good. I never met a Romanian girl. Like usually, I never see a Romanian girl before. Like Poland, Russian, yes, all the nationality, but not Romanian. Maybe, maybe we're gonna see another Romanian girl. I will tell her that. No, man, this is for Asian, man, not for us. Here we like cats and dogs. Yes, Next level. I believe that. I was in Eastern Europe before, and yeah, I can confirm that they are party people, and people actually living below their means, and they're simple people. When you party with them, it's kind of you can feel the party because you don't need like Lamborghini and high class clothes and VIP in the clubs. No, it's kind of when you party normally. We talk with people. People are down to earth. That's why I like Eastern Europe. They're not kind of fake. They're real people. Whoa, T-non squeeze. Finally, man. Finally. Come on, we need the $3.50 now. Finally. Finally. We have this CDO. Let's see. TNON. Let's see. As we said, TNON is cooked on slow fire. That's why we waited. And now we have 30% up. TRKA, nothing much. It's getting near the resistance, the $1.90, but the volume is really light. Sunray. Yeah, interesting. You know why Sunray? Why people find it weird to eat dogs and cats and not cows or chicken? You know why? Because dogs and cats and horses, if you go back in history, those animals, it give emotional companion to the human being. So the dogs and cats and horses are smart because they give something a human being can't find elsewhere, which is emotional support. That's why people like cats and dogs, because dogs and cats you can find them, like they never let you go. They always there for you. And this is for a human being is worth more than money, worth more than food or eating. How you eat something if you give you like emotional support when you need it the most. So that's the reason, man. This is the biggest reason why people don't eat dogs and cats. Chicken will never give you emotional support. Chicken is kind of, when you want to touch it, is shitting everywhere and kind of stupid. This is the reality. That's why we eat chicken. Dogs are smart. Cat is smart. Horse is really smart. Next level. This is my red flag, actually. If a girl have a cat, I have to run away. This is my red flag actually. Okay, TNON. TNON is pumping. CDO trying again? No, I don't trust it, man. I don't trust CDO anymore. TNON, we need another kick. Live W, start to reverse. SNTI got shorted. NVOS doesn't look good here. So I'm watching TNON and Live W. Live W start to reverse, guys. Watch out for Live W. What's going on? We had a big seller here. TNON. Again, we have a seller. It's not stable, guys. We should have went toward the $3.50 without a test. Now it's testing the support or the breakout zone. Yeah, big seller here. Let me just TNON. Maybe I'm gonna exit breaking even here. Yeah, exit very quick. This one, Live W still. So TNON, we have a weakness here, guys. Watch out. Testing the breakout zone. PR, let me just check. Okay, John. Let me just check. GAN. Let me just check. I think it's an acquisition. Takeover. It's not good, brother. We have a takeover for this one. Pumped and the price went down now. So this one is a takeover, so it's not good, brother. It's not good to trade. If we broke the $2 next time, okay, maybe it will be a good trade, but now it's not. Now we should be on the sideline. It looked dangerous a bit. So watch out for the $2.07. $1.07 as a bottom, 289 profit, 434 second profit. The other stock that you asked me, John, is PRSO. PRSO. Let me just check this one. PRSO. Let me just check this one very quick. Whoa, we have a huge test now for a major resistance. Exactly there, 24. We got profit around the 33. We got the other profit 45 and 70. Support, let me just check the support for you. Yeah, support is there, 15. So yeah, we have 15 bottom, 24 or around the 25 cent breakout, 33 profit taking, 45 and the 70.